Hello everyone. I hope everybody's fine. Everybody's having a great time. So today we are going to do the tall stretching batch. Okay, it's a relaxation batch. Uh, the last heat batch which we did, it was pretty intense. So it was very necessary that uh, I would take some relaxation batch like yoga or towel stretching, but I thought that after such a intense batch, which stretching is necessary. So for wonderful relaxation, I thought towel stretching would be the best batch to conduct. So today we are going to need a big towel. Okay, we're going to need a big towel for this batch, and you can have a water bottle with you. We also need a mat. Okay, so let's start with today's batch, and I hope you feel relaxed and I hope you enjoy. Please do the batch till the end. Thank you. Chalo, let's start. Right. Okay, let's start. Okay. So the first exercise. Okay. Hold the towel like this. Okay, in the front. Okay, and do up and down. Okay, like this. Chalo. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Stretch the towel at the back. Okay, behind your head. Stretch the towel. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. 1 second. Alright. Yeah. So now hold the towel like this. Okay. Now you have to hold the towel in 90-degree. Okay. Behind your head. Okay. Look at my hands. Okay, look at the curve. It's 90-degree angle. Okay. And you have to hold this position. And in this position you have to hold and you have to pull the towel out. Okay, so try and resist. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, don't leave the position. In the same position you have to do the curls. Okay, till your chest. Chalo. 1, 2, don't leave the 90-degree angle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now hold the towel like this. Okay, stick your elbows stuck to your sides of the stomach. Okay, and just pull the towel out. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now in the same position like this, okay, you have to pull the towel to the right side with the right hand. But if you see, though I am pulling it with my right hand, my right elbow is here only. Okay, I'm not taking my right elbow far and I'm pulling. It's stuck to the side. Okay, it's stuck to my body. So chalo, like this, and pull the towel to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right, now to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Okay, now what you have to do, now hold the edges of your towel. Okay, hold the towel at both the edges and take both your hands at the back behind your head. Just you can see my hands are wide. Okay, and then I am taking my hands back and I am stretching them. This is called the pictum stretch. Chalo, and hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now just watch me. Okay, observe. What you have to do. Okay, now hold the towel in your left hand at the back. Okay, like this, and then hold the towel at the back with your right hand. So this is the starting position. Okay, and with this you have to lift. Okay, you have to lift the towel with your left hand. Okay, so like this. Okay, so my left hand is up. Okay, my right hand is stuck to my back. Okay, and I'm going to hold this position. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, in the same position, now I'm just going to pull the towel down with my right hand. Okay, like this. So my triceps are getting stretched now. Chalo, my left tricep, if you can see, whichever hand is up, that hand's tricep is working. Chalo, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, now change the hand. Okay, change the hand. Now same with the right hand. Okay, first pull the towel up with your right hand and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, back straight. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now pull the towel down with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright. Those who want to sip water, they can. Just sip in some water or break for a minute. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So now what you have to do, okay? Now hold the towel at the back, okay, like this, my palm, okay, my palm is facing down, okay, if you see, I'm holding the towel like this, okay, and in this position, I'm holding it back, okay, holding it back, okay, and then what we have to do is take your hands over your head, okay, and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly back to the center. Okay, now same exercise, only now your palms will face upwards, okay. Now you will hold the towel like this, okay. So my palms are facing the camera. Chalo. In the same position, you have to take your hands over your head. Chalo. And bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly back to the center. Okay. Now the next one. Now again, elbows stick to the sides, okay. Sorry, my bad. Hold the towel in the front, okay. Hold the towel in the front like this, and you have to pull the towel out, okay. But just make sure when you're holding it straight, your elbows are soft, okay. It's not straight like this, little bit soft, okay. So that there is a curve, okay, a little bit small curve, okay. So you have to bend your elbows a little bit. Chalo. And pull the towel out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now same exercise, okay, but now what you have to do, you have to hold the towel like this, okay, palm facing up, okay, like this, and now you have to bring your elbows closer. That means your elbows must be stick to the sides of your stomach, and in this position you have to pull the towel out. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Okay. Okay, now your legs wide. Okay, your legs wide. Now hands up straight. Okay, my hands are also wide, a little bit wide, not too much. And now what I'm going to do in this position, I am going to this right side. Okay, I'm bending the right side and I'm holding this position. Okay, so my sides are getting stretched. Okay, chalo. So we'll go to the right first. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center. Now to the left. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center. Those who want to sip in water, they can. Break for a minute, guys. Okay. Chalo. Now what you have to do? So now take your left leg. We'll start with the right leg first. So we'll start with the right first. Take your right leg to the right side. Okay, the right side. Take distance. Okay, as much. Take the distance with which you are comfortable. Okay, not too much. So, and after this, now turn your shoulders to the right side. Your left leg must be straight. It must be pointing straight. Only your right leg and shoulders to the right side. And in this position, take your hands up over your head. Okay, and then bend forward. Okay, and hold this position. Okay, your knees should be straight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly back. Alright. Now you have to turn your left leg to the right side. Okay, so like this. And in this position, again take your hands up and you have to go down in the lunge position and you have to look up and lean back a little bit. Okay, those who need support, okay, they can take a support of a chair or a wall. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright. Now both the exercises to the left side. Okay. Chalo, step by step. Now turn your left leg to the left side. Take some distance. Now turn your shoulders to the left side. Okay. Your right leg straight. Now hands over your head, straight. Okay. And in this position, once you're set, bend forward and hold. Knees straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look in front. 9 and 10. Alright. Now turn your right leg to the left side. Hands up. Go down in the lunge position and look up and lean back a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job, guys. Okay. Now you have to sit down. Okay. Sit down. Now hold the towel in your right arch. Okay, right arch. And what you have to do, once you place the towel in your right arch, okay, hold the towel in both your hands, okay, and gradually take your leg, lift your leg up, up, and you lean back, okay. Lift the leg, lift the right leg up, okay, as much as you can, and then lift your upper body and then hold this position like this. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, leg straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly down. Now towel in the left arch. Okay, and same. Lift your left leg gradually and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. Now lie down. Okay, before lying down again, please towel in your right arch. Now hold the towel only in your right hand. Okay, your left leg will be straight on the mat. Hold the towel only in your right hand, and then take your leg to the right side. Okay, like this. Chalo, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now back to the center. Okay, and now hold the towel in your left hand and take your right leg to the left side, and you will look to the right side. Okay, chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center, and now change your leg. Towel in the left arch. Okay, towel in the left arch. Now hold the towel only in your left hand. Okay, and take your left leg to the left side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center. Now hold the towel in the right hand and take your left leg to the right side and look to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center and relax. Now we don't need a towel. Okay, you don't need a towel. Only, wait a minute. Alright, you can put the towel aside. Okay, only last 2 stretches remaining of the day, then we are done for the day. So you can put the towel aside. Just take a 1-minute break, sip in some water, and then we'll do the remaining 2 stretches without towel, and then we are done. Alright, let's move on to the last 2. Okay, last 2 of the day. So lie down on the mat. Okay, your legs bend. Now your right leg on your left knee. Okay, and pull your left leg towards your chest like this. Chalo, for the hip stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change your leg, left and right, and pull your right leg towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright. Okay, guys, last stretch of the day. Now first just sit like this. Okay, this can be a little bit confusing, so observe and listen carefully. Okay, then there is no confusion. Now what you have to do, your right leg, okay, right leg like this, so sit like this. Now fold your, I will tell you from the first. Take your right leg to the left side. Okay, now fold your left leg like this. Okay, so you have to sit like this, and now place your right hand to the right side only, and now push your left knee with your left elbow and look back to the right side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to the center. Same to the other side. Now your left leg to the right side. Okay, now fold your right leg at the back. Okay, like this. Left hand to the left side only, and push your left knee with your right elbow and look back to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright. Now just sit in the Vajrasana position. Okay, Vajrasana position, and you have to touch your forehead down and your hands relaxed, loose on the sides like this on the mat, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're done for the day, guys. We are done for the day, and we are done for the week too. I hope you enjoyed today's batch. I hope you are feeling relaxed. Okay. I hope you enjoyed all the 3 batches in this week. Okay. Now we'll meet in the next week. I'll share you my schedule on this Sunday or Monday so that you get an idea for the next week. I just wanted to make this clear that our batches will be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So don't wait that there is no link on Monday, because we don't have the batch on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from now. Okay, it's on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, and now it's been a while. Okay, we are doing the batches together. Okay, and we have done several batches multiple times. Okay, I mean, we have done the high intensity batch for the 4th time yesterday. Then we did the towel stretching for 4th to 5th time. So all the batches which I have conducted, we have did that for 4 to 5 times. So I want you guys to take some initiative, that please do comment that take something new. I mean, if there are some things in fitness or any type of different exercise that you want that I should conduct, okay, please do comment. I will look into it and I will try to conduct it. I will study through it and I will try to conduct it. I will make the video. Okay, so come up with new ideas if you have any, and please do comment. Coming back to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, don't forget to comment, don't forget to post your suggestions, feedbacks, which are very important for me. Share my videos, share my YouTube channel with many more people. Okay, so that many and many more people will join, which I want. Till then, have a great time, stay safe, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next week. Okay, in the weekend, keep doing some cardio activity, like just go for a run, or those who are aged ones, or those who don't like running, they can also do cycling. Okay, or can go for a walk too on hills or mountain vagera. You can also do trekking is great. So only the main funda is just keep doing fitness. Okay, you can take 1 day break Sunday, that's it. And rather than that, just keep doing fitness and follow a balanced diet. So goodbye guys, and have a great time, stay safe, thank you.